To the American people, I say this: the elections this November will have consequences because the rights of 100 million women are now on the ballot.
Democrats are signaling they plan to use abortion as a key motivator in the midterm elections, now that a leaked Supreme Court draft has scrambled the debate about choice and life. Protesters on both sides of the issue gathered on the steps of the Supreme Court within hours of Politico publishing a draft ruling that suggested justices are preparing to strike down Roe v. Wade and return the question of abortion to the states. President Biden suggested he wants his party's midterm strategy to focus on abortion as well. The president said the Supreme Court draft means that, quote, it will fall on voters to elect pro-choice officials this November. He blasted the draft decision in his first public appearance since the leak.
Look, the idea that it concerns me a great deal that we're going to, after 50 years, decide a woman does not have a right to choose.
Liberals were already calling for an end to the filibuster to pass a law protecting abortion access nationwide, even though the Supreme Court has not yet officially decided on the issue. Chief Justice John Roberts confirmed the authenticity of the leaked draft this week and vowed to launch an investigation into who shared the document with reporters. If a majority of justices ultimately does decide to overturn Roe v. Wade, the ruling could give Democrats a way to fire up voters ahead of the midterms. Polls had suggested Republican voters are far more enthusiastic about voting in November than Democratic voters. But if Democrats are able to energize their supporters by suggesting women's rights are under threat, they could try to overcome some of the headwinds facing them in this election cycle. Sarah Westwood for the Washington Examiner.